Electric screwdrivers are always a smart investment. Whether it's about building furniture, fixing a toy, or a device, nothing can beat an electrical screwdriver. These small power tools are quite handy, lighter than an electrical driller, and can easily reach tight spaces. There are many products available to choose from best electric screwdrivers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best electric screwdrivers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Cordless Screwdriver Kit. DeWalt is your one-stop brand to select the right tools for all kinds of commercial and DE projects. The cordless screwdriver we have here features motion activation variable speed, along with reversing functionality for convenient and precise fastening control. You can effortlessly fasten screws into wood, plastic, and light gauge metals with this rechargeable screwdriver, as it runs at a decent 430 RPM speed. This adjustable two-position handle lets you operate it in either inline or pistol grip style. The screwdriver provides proper control to you when you are about to complete light fastening applications. For better support while working on confined spots, the LED light setup on this screwdriver provides the best illumination. This cordless screwdriver works with an 8V Max battery pack that runs for a very long time with just an hour's charge. Number 2. Pink Power Electric Screwdriver. The color, the size, the comfort, everything is done and designed for women. The PP481 screwdriver is one of the best budget screwdrivers on the list. It has a robust motor powered by a 3.6V battery and can rotate up to 200 RPM. Enough to handle pretty much all household repairing works. Whether putting the furniture together, fixing toys, or hanging pictures, it is possible to do every other household-related task. The very unique thing about this screwdriver is the two-position handle. In simple terms, the handle can rotate up to 180 degrees. This lets you reach the tightest spaces without any difficulty. The soft rubber grip and small size make it a perfect fit for smaller hands. There are screwdriver bits and a bit holder that comes with the package. It weighs less than a pound, which is another plus point. You can easily carry it with you. Like any standard model, it also has an LED battery indicator and a LED light to work in low light conditions. Number 3. WunderMaster Cordless Screwdriver. WunderMaster is one of the best manufacturers of power screwdrivers. This cordless screwdriver model is a perfect option for small household DE projects or everyday needs. It features a powerful motor of 4.8V with a no-load speed of 180 RPM and unique heat dissipation to perform several tasks. This electric screwdriver has a small, lighter, and compact design that let you carry it around easily and operate them effortlessly. You can adjust and set the torque on 6+1 different settings to allow the screwdriver to fix or work on different things. With its flexible drive shaft, you can use this screwdriver to do your work in hard-to-reach or tight areas. It won't take much effort to loosen or fasten screws with the screwdriver, as you can easily change the motion to either forward or reverse by turning the color. Also, you can effectively work in dimly lit areas with LED lights. Number 4. Dremel Electric Screwdriver. You must have heard of Dremel. They make high-end premium quality power tools. If you are seeking something small, light yet powerful, you might want to check this out. It features a 4V powered motor with a no-load speed of 360 RPM with variable torque settings. Still, the most noticeable factor of this electrical screwdriver would be its design. It's small enough to put and carry inside your pocket. It weighs only 9.6 ounces. If you wish, you can operate it using one hand. The device starts automatically with a little push. It uses super-quality Li-ion battery that charges fully within 1 hour. You can alter the torque setting to prevent the screws from stripping off. Number 5. Hachiko Electric Screwdriver. You can do almost all repairing tasks around the house, and also some light-duty drilling with this electric screwdriver comb driller. It comes with a total of 36 pieces of screwdriver bits, along with a drilling bit. It is a 3.6V power machine with a maximum torque of 6 Nm. That is also good enough for any DE project. The battery is more powerful than most of its rivals. The 3.6V lithium-ion battery has a capacity of 2000 mAh, and it comes with a standard DC charger. However, as the charging port on the screwdriver is of type USB, you can plug it into your laptop, car charger, etc. to charge it. Unlike other models, there are 2 LED lights, a front working light and a flashlight at the end. Its two-position handle makes the work even easier. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.